Hi everyone, good morning. Let me share my screen. Okay, so last class what we discussed? Last class uh, we call all the category API and we have listed over here and we have created one search icon. Okay, so here we can do by search by icon. Sorry, search by name we can do and Western category also we can do. Okay, cool. So first of all, we have this right now. What we will do? We'll do for today. There is one API called. We come over here. Yeah, search by 1 minute. Either you can do a search by name or search by letter. Okay, if you're doing the search by name you have to type full things. So first we will implement search by letter. Okay, sure. Let's try this. First we will call this API over here. Okay, cool. Okay, okay, cool. So either we can search by name, search by letter, or search by ID. Okay, these three filters are there. We can apply. We have all the category mills right now we did. Okay, after that we can also search by that like suppose I have all the categories like all the areas, this all thing we will also we can get that. Like if you go over here and check, cool. So here we are getting that mills, like what are the country name we have, we were getting that. What are the area we have, we were getting over here. See, these are the area, these are the ingredient. Okay, see, see, these are the ingredient also. So either you can see. So first of all what we will do, we'll create React router down. Npm install React router down. Okay, so we'll copy this. Cool. Just remove these two. So I'll copy one, so it will help for us. This one I'll copy. Okay, cool. It's taking time to load. Just wait for a minute. Okay, so now we can see we have React router, and after at the place of like slash, we are opening that landing page. Now if we come over here, we will create different like suppose while clicking on this, right, while clicking on chicken, right, so it will go to the details, category details. One page will be there. So like if you have here, see, we'll go to the category, right, see, search by category. So if you do this, it will go to the category detail page. Okay, but first of all, we will create few things like ingredient page, category page, these all things. So we'll create component called, I don't know, that's just, what is the page name page, query name .js. Okay, import react from react const. Okay, now we will create one more route. Cool, we'll check that. Okay, so we have created one more page called ingredient. Okay, so it's showing this is ingredient page. Great. So now again we will go to the ingredient page. Here what we will do, so I have the API. See, I have the API. Here if you go, yeah, this API I have. See, if you do that, you can get all the ingredient list. So what we will do, so first of all I need to call that API. For calling that API, I need axios, and so first that import axios. Okay, here you have to write a function called const get in data full axios dot get. Okay, here dot then dot catch. Okay, cool. So now we have created this function, but I have to call this function when page will load. So we have to call inside that useEffect. useEffect is a kind of lifecycle method in functional component. While loading the page, it will that function is to call. So useEffect. From where it's coming? It's coming from React, and useEffect will take two things. One is function. Second is okay, cool. We will call this function first, and we'll check either this API is working or not. We'll go to the page, inspect it, network. It's giving some error. One minute. The same function is work. API is working over here. Okay. We'll do one more time. We'll do the refresh. Okay. So now this time we are getting the result. Cool. Inside mill I have around, oh my god, 500 data. Okay. So first of all we'll create one a state to store the data. Const mill data set mill data is equal to useState. Okay. After that, if this dot data is there, then what we will do, we will set this data into correct res dot data dot. After the data there is a meal karke one key is there, so we will save this also here. Okay, now we can check either data is saved in our state or not. So we'll do log meal data something, whatever we have created, better we can copy paste. Okay, now line number 22, we'll go to the line number 22. It's coming right. Cool. Now we can check. We have around this much data. Okay, cool. Okay, so now we will check what we can do with this data. So we have all the list of ingredient. Now we will do that. Okay, here it's coming. So we will go and check the ingredient in our past. Okay, so let's pass this. See, we are getting these details. Okay, so now first of all what we will do, so we'll create, we have around 500 data, so we'll create a small uh, row column, div class name row, div, after that we can do mail data dot map. Okay, mail data dot map, and inside that d and n. I'm creating one card. Okay, so here we can go and get that. First of all, what are the things we can show? So we can show that only the name we can show. Okay, so either what we can do, we can create two things. The ingredient name will be come on this section here, and we can search by here, and detail we can show it over here. So either we can show two things based on our design. See, this random ingredient API is there. Maybe it will take. Okay, we have name, field, letter, ID, single random mail. Okay, random section, all list, all area, category, and this. Okay, for main ingredient, filter by main ingredient. Okay, filter by category. Okay, so random thing, it will make charge money. Okay, so either what we can do, for the bigger screen, we can show all the ingredient over this section only. Here in half of the this, see how we will do this inside the call. Okay, so inside the half of this, let's give for d dot, we'll take the ingredient name, inspect it, okay. So that name of this is cool. Okay, okay. So first of all, I'll give the class name over here, load, call sm4, 4 is bigger, 3, okay, great. Give some my, or is what we can do in this section, div, you can create a class name like side nav or ingredient, left. Just giving the name, any name, and what we will do, we'll go to the app.css, height is equal to, we'll give cal 100 vh minus 200 pixel, overflow hidden, overflow y-axis auto. Cool. You can increase this also. See, we have the things coming over here. Now if we click on any of these, if we click any of these, the data should open over here. So now the second section, See, this become the first section. See, call sm3. Okay, in format it. Here you can check inside the row. Cool. So here we will do div class name call sm8 9 you can give. Just give this name over here. Okay, so this is coming right. So here we will show the based on this chicken it will come chicken, salmon it will come salmon, beef it will come the beef. Okay, so first of all here we will create one more function. Yeah, so we need to call the API. Okay, so here we will create const selected data, selected meal you can say, set selected meal. So we'll check what's okay meals. Cool. useState and we can give cool. Okay, after that, so if someone will click on this, right, cool. So we will create one on click function on here, like every card on click handle handle meal something we can create. Const handle meal is equal to this. We will get the data over here because the name we will call that here, and after that axios dot get and that API. Okay, but this thing it will come from the data plus data. Okay, then dot then after that dot catch. Okay, so now what we have to do, we have the section over here. Okay, so first of all we'll check what are the data coming over here. Okay, so we can also like selected meal, we can set a state of the selected meal. Res dot data dot meal something, yeah, meals. Okay, cool. We'll check this also. So we'll check this selected meals are working or not. Cool. Inspect it. Okay, go to the console, remove this and click on salmon. Data is giving null. We'll go to the network first. It's giving null. Okay, object of object. Okay, we were not passing any data as of now. While clicking right, this data we have to pass. So if you go to the handle meal here, so we have to pass this data also. Cool. So now click on something like pork. We have the data. review we have meals inside that 10 things came. We'll go to the console, 11 data came. Barbecue, this, all the things came, right? Okay, so now we will show here also. Either we can do one by one, or it's up to us, right? Like how you want to. So first of all, let's copy this. Cool, this is selected something, right? Selected meal. After that there is a card. We just remove the on card, on change, or whatever the things. Okay, here what are the details you are getting? The name and image. Okay, cool. Inside the card body, just give the image src is equal to d dot s. Cool. Width, class name we will give w100, and we'll close this first. Okay, I will check either it's working or not. Okay, we did the wrong. Actually it's a variable, so we can't give in a string. Now we can check. Okay, so we are getting the detail. Okay, and after that down we can give the div and d dot string meal. Okay, so the name is also coming. Either you can keep like in center or anything. Cool, we have this div okay, we'll create ingredient image container. We'll give width 100%, height 200 pixel, not more than that, overflow hidden. We'll call this and we'll go to the ingredient class name. Cool, see, it's coming. Only things is थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा कर देता हूँ 300. Okay, it's not looking good. Maybe we will keep two row column, like two over here. Okay, wait. As of now, just keep this. Either we can keep 2 or 3 on in row, like here 2 at least we can show. Okay, so now if you check over here, so few things are coming. Give class name text center. Okay, if you want to give a strong, just give it. Cool, it's coming. Okay, now we have to fix this section. This section we have to fix it. Okay, so first of all, in this section, what we will do, we will do position fixed. Okay, or else inside that we have ingredient left. So what we will do, just refresh this page first. Okay, inside that, first of all, position fixed. Now if we click on chicken, if you refresh also it will, if you do this also, that section will not refresh. Okay, position is fixed. Okay, collision 3, collision 9, collision 3. So if we are giving the position fix, inside it you can check, we can give width also, width 100%, not more than that, or else it's okay. Just this one give, this one give, we can position relative. Okay, and this one or not 100%, this is taking with 100%. Absolute, yes. Now if you scroll this is still going, right? Okay, fixed. If you're going to give fixed, then we have to give some certain height or something, like width we have to give, like width if we give 200 pixel. Okay, or more than that. So like that if you give, and position if you give fixed. Cool. Now if you go and refresh this also, it will not work. See, this will work, this will not work. Even you can check, this header is moving, right? It should not move. Okay, so these two things we have to fix. So as of now we have that ingredient section. Inside that, if you click on pork, see, these details are coming. Beef, if you click, okay, maybe the data is not present over here. And here in header we will give the ingredient things. Cool. Maybe for some of the data it's none, like the value is none, right? So see, so I'll push this code in next class. I'll first of all, what we have to do, first of all we have to fix this header and this side nav. Okay, these two things I have to fix it. Okay, I'll push this code. So how we will do that, we'll go here, so first of all check git a status. See, these many things we changed, and this new change, new things we have added. Okay, so then we will do git add all. Okay, then git commit -m and some messages like ingredient page. Okay, cool. After that, git push. Okay, now if you go and check over here, so like 5 commit now, 12 second ago, just now we did. Okay, so I already shared this things, this URL. You can take the data from here. Okay, and just try to achieve this styling. We have the API, everything, all the code over here. You can take it from here. Okay, and do the practices first. Okay, cool. Okay, I will share you the video, and please do practice and let me know. Okay, if you have any doubt. Yeah, thanks everyone.
Thank you, sir.